What's going on, everyone? Win with Ryan here, and we're going to start this video off with a quick giveaway. We're giving away $100, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below. Every single comment gives you an entry to win, and then go over to winwithryan.com to make sure that you are subscribed to my Make Money newsletter. That's where we announce the winner every single month. So with that being said, keep winning. Hey, welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about XRP. Yes, that's right. XRP Army. We've got an update for you. Hope you guys have been doing well. Today's XRP video is coming at you. We're going to go ahead and cover the live charts today. We'll cover the daily, the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart, and we'll also look at some price analysis for what is happening right now in the market. XRP USDT. XRP soared above the 75-cent resistance and the 200-day SMA of 79 cents on August 7th, which completed a double bottom pattern. The price rebounded off the breakout level today, indicating that the bulls have flipped the level to a support. If the buyers push the price above the 84-cent mark, the XRP USDT pair could start its journey toward an overhead resistance zone at $1 to $1.07, and then a breakout and close above this zone could signal the start of a new uptrend. Alternatively, if the price turns down from the overhead resistance, the pair could drop to the 200-day SMA. A bounce off of this support could keep the pair stuck between $1.07 and 75 cents for a few days. The bears will have to pull the price below the 70-day SMA of 65 cents to gain the upper hand. Let's take a look at the chart. All right, so here you can see the XRP USDT daily chart. And as you can see, we've been in a significant downtrend for quite some time. I mean, going all the way back to April 12th when it hit its peak. And now we are, or April 13th, really. And now we've been continuing to hit inside of this downtrend pattern. So as you can see right here, this is the downtrend line of the descending channel. And this is the support line of the descending channel. It has come down recently and been trading sideways since. So there's no massive down move, but we do need to see if it can make its move back up here, break outside of that descending channel, and then hit that $1.07 resistance zone and break through that and continue for the up move. So the bulls are currently in control. The RSI is sitting nicely here at 66 and making its move up. We like it to be right above 70. We don't like it to be in the 80s or anything like that, because look what happened last time. It got into the 80s. We had the massive sell-off that came along after that. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the live charts now, and we're going to take a look at what is going on right this moment. All right, guys, so here we have the XRP USDT daily chart, and you can see right now the trend line that has started way back here, and it's been continuing on this downtrend for quite some time. It is at that resistance line right now. So we will know today if it's going to break above it or not. So that's actually a really good timing. So if you're watching this video and you see it break above the 85-cent mark, because right now we're sitting at 80. So if it can break and close above the 85-cent mark today, which right now we have 2 hours and 30 minutes left in this candle, if it can break and close above, then we might want to watch and see if there's going to be a retest of this zone before it does start its next move on the up move. But today could be a great entry point for XRP. And this, again, is not financial advice. It's just financial entertainment. But if you're looking at the technicals and what's going on here with the technical analysis, and you take a look at the actual resistance line of this recent trend, it is looking positive. It really is. And then down here, if you're taking a look at the TDI, the only thing that I don't like is that it is on the outside of the Bollinger Band, and it has broken down inside of the Bollinger Band. So it went out and it came back in. And sometimes that is an indicator that it's going to go ahead and fall back down to the midpoint, which is the yellow line, right? So this right here, not looking super strong. The only thing that we have going for us in all reality is that it's at a 60 and it can easily move up to a 70. So this can run up to the 70, meaning it would break above, right? And then the retest with it going up to a 70 on the indicator down here, and then coming down for the retest, and then hitting that zone. So that would be a definite possibility that could happen here. Let's go take a look at the 4-hour chart and see if we can get a little bit more detailed information. All right, great. So if we're looking here at the 4-hour chart, we're getting a little bit better detailed view here. And if we stretch it out, as you can see, it broke above the Bollinger Band on the 4 hours, came down, hit that midpoint, bounced up, came back down. Looks like the retest is going on this shorter time frame. You can see that it tried to break through and it dropped. It did break through, it dropped, and it's retesting this zone right here. So sometimes, remember, you've got to zoom in. So sometimes when you're trading, they say zoom out as well, right? Because you want to zoom out, you might get too stuck in this small time frame. Zoom out to get some relief from the stress, but also zoom in when you're trying to determine if a move is going to happen. So right now, also on this candle, we have 2 hours and 31 minutes. It's broken back below, and it is below here as well. So this may be coming back to test here, and then we can make our next up move. That's what it's looking like right now. We're very close. This is definitely the tipping point. It's going to happen today, whether it's a breakdown or a break above and then a continuation over the next couple of days to the upside. Let's look at the 1 hour. All right, cool. So if we're looking here at the 1 hour chart, it gives me even better indication that this thing is going to pop up. Because if you can see here, it has broke, it went down and touched that 50 on the 1 hour chart, it touched the 50 moving average, and it's broken below the 20. So it's sitting in between, but it didn't drop below. So if you look at the body of this candle, it came all the way down and tested below, and then it retraced back up and left this wick down here on the bottom, right? Because it does not want to be down there in the first 30 minutes anyway. So there's definitely a tug of war going on right now in this 30-minute candle, or the 1 hour candle in the last 30 minutes here. Also, kind of a bad sign. This thing here is still continuing to drop. It actually turned below the red, turned below the yellow. So now it's like, do we wait for it to come and touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band? Is it going to kind of just sit here for us and catch up? Because remember, this doesn't go in the future. This future is happening now. So this next little bit, this trace right here, could be the finish of this candle if it finishes down, and it could be coming down to here. The moving averages are flattening out and starting to come down a little bit. So that's a bad sign as well. So that's not good. So as you can see here, this was headed up and now it's starting to curve down. This one's trading flat. This sign's down here. So this current hour, if the bulls don't win this hour and it just continues to go down, then we may see a drop, and we may see it drop below the 50, and then we can see it drop all the way to the 75-cent mark. So keep an eye on that. It looked really promising, still is promising. You never know. Just depends on if we can get some volume coming into the market. And remember, it is only Monday, so we'll see what happens here. Let's even test, because this is potentially a spot that I want to get in. Now, if we're taking a look here on the 15-minute, now here's some good signs. So again, why do you go down? Because of this, if you're looking for an entry, right? On the 15-minute, it did drop below everything, but it came and tapped that 200 moving average, and it's down below the Bollinger Band. It's starting to make a curve back up. And if we could see this up move here, that would be fantastic. So anyway, XRP is looking good. Hey, don't forget the newsletter, winwithryan.com. If you're wanting to win $100, we're giving away $100 in August. Go sign up. It's free. We give out great information over there. Talk to you later.